Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Real Gone. We will start by mastering the four core power chords that form the backbone of this energetic song. These are the B5, D5, E5, and A5 chords. Focus on clean transitions between them, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Dedicate about 10 minutes to practicing these changes before moving on, building muscle memory for a solid foundation. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is crucial for capturing the song's driving rhythm. A common pattern is down, down, up, repeated for each chord. Try to accent the first downstroke to give it that powerful rock feel. Remember to keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Practice this pattern slowly, gradually increasing your speed to match the original recording's pace. Now, let's explore the song's structure. Real Gone typically follows an intro, verse, chorus, and bridge format. The intro and verses often cycle through the B5, D5, E5, and A5 power chords. The chorus usually maintains a similar chord progression, but with a more energetic strum. The bridge might introduce a slight variation or focus on a single chord for emphasis. Listening closely to the original track will help you internalize these changes. To truly master Real Gone, consistent and smart practice is key. Begin by practicing at a slow tempo with a metronome to build precision. Don't try to play the whole song at full speed immediately. Instead, break it down into smaller sections. Recording yourself can provide valuable feedback on your timing and tone. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused practice daily, and you'll be playing this awesome song in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.